Okay, we are getting into some fun stuff right now. I'm with a group of friends, and we are entering the tail of the dragon. So we are here for small bore weekend. I don't really have anything small bore besides my mini bike, so I'm on the Nighthawk. And this thing is a weapon on here. I love it. It's so good. We've done it once coming this way, and now we're going to go back and go the other way. Now this is my first time here, but what I really appreciate is just how clean these roads are. They're very smooth, they're very well kept, and it just, man, it makes it easy. Catching big air. You know, I love my twisty roads back home, and we have some good ones, but obviously this is just much more condensed into a smaller distance. It's just so cool, the community of just people that love twisty roads. And here's Dell's Gap. This is such a cool spot. I would in fact hang out here a lot. Pretty much just the beginning of the dragon. What I think is so cool is I actually have to get down into second gear for corners, and like, you know, we got some good twisty roads back in Missouri, but I don't have any hairpins to necessitate second, which is awesome. But once we get up to a good spot, I'll fire up the camera and I won't talk. That spot's here. I've never seen so many Groms in my life. Honda has to be making a killing on them things. That fool's running a Honda 2000.
Oh, my jeans are so good. I have a ball sack. That actually,
Don't do that.
Stop. It's just 4 or 5, no. There's like 30 cool.
Yeah, you want to check them out?
Also, I think I'm doing cash down there.
You can just have such a good pace through here. Minimal braking, unless you're really cooking, of course. It just flows. That dude was getting it. How's the rest of our group? Dude, these Hawaiian shirt guys are all like clones. Helixes! Whoa! I think I need a Helix.
Mic's down. You good? Mic's down. Yep. They're grippy till they're not. Good?
Yeah. Hey Mark, you know how they were grippy? Yep.
Do you think they're going to turn around, or are they going to turn around?
No, they're just going down to turn around and come back through. So they'll probably go down that big parking lot deal.
Yeah.
Come back.
I'm going to do that. I wanted to play too.
How you liking it?
Oh, I love it. This thing's like perfect.
Oh yeah. Is it your first time here?
Yeah. Yeah, it's awesome. Oh yeah.
Especially with all the plastic stuff. You have to make an adapter for the shock. Oh, turbo. Huh. That's a whittle turbo. It's got a wiener dog on it.
The paddle. Whenever the manual clutch was in there, I could never find.
Well, we just left the small bore rally. It was a lot of fun, and man, I'm just feeling really inspired to kind of put something together for next year. But you know, like it is with Nighthawks or CX500s or CBXs or whatever, that's a slippery slope. If I get something that's, you know, of the theme, then somehow Seth and I then have 10 things that are of the theme, and we don't exactly have space for that right now. But been a lot of fun. While we were there, a couple people said hi, so special shout out to Charlie and Denver. So those guys were out there hanging out, having a good time. They both watched the videos, so gave them some stickers. But yeah, appreciate you guys saying hi and watching the channel, of course. So tonight though, I think we're gonna go take a quick break at the cabin. It's just so hot, And then I might go out and just enjoy the parkway on this thing, get it up to, you know, like 70, and just enjoy the views. Anyway, overall, Nighthawk on the Dragon, 10 out of 10, for real. This thing is fantastic. Gearing is great, super comfortable, easy to throw around, and like the turns, the turn in and stuff just feels intuitive. Just like falls in, feel like you don't even need hands. So, a lot of fun. But anyway, I won't bore you guys with that. We are coming up on a section that has some very cool like hairpins and stuff like that. So we're gonna pick it back up when we get to that point.